To be honest, we are not the biggest shipyard in the world. Neither are we Dutch, not at all. But we always extend initial dreams of our owners and build super yachts for them for almost 100 years here in Istanbul. If you ask any of our savvy owners, by the way, there are hundreds of them all around the world, they will definitely confirm that we are doing something better than all. Dreaming of a super yacht is just the start. Acting smart in that journey is the key to your success. Money can buy you a super yacht. At Bilgin, the same money can buy you a super yacht. What we are trying to emphasize is you have chance to get more of everything. More length, more power, more luxury, more technology, more design, more customization, and of course, much more sophisticated experiences in Bilgin Owners Club that money cannot buy. Our savvy owners always get better super yachts than the one they initially dreamed of. We claim that your project will be handled smarter in Bilgin. We push the limits of everything. We provoke you to have a better one. We provoke you now. Just reach out and hand us the challenge to give you more. This has been our business for 5 generations. Our 120 years of super yacht building experience is at your service. Before you embark on your journey of owning a super yacht, just check with Bilgin. Be savvy. Don't give up on your possibilities. Since you have a chance, have more.